Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software. I want to talk to you about something different. I want to talk to you about something completely outside the realm that I normally would talk about. I want to talk about execution plans. Just kidding. I love execution plans. I'm writing a book on execution plans, updating a book on execution plans anyway. And it's a big deal, right? Doing all kinds of fun stuff with it. But before we talk about execution plans, I want to talk about something else. Let's talk about the fact that it's really hard to know what's causing your system to run slowly unless you're doing some monitoring on it. Now, yes, I can talk about all kinds of cool tools that might help you monitor your software, but I'm not going to talk about that in the moment. I just want to talk about one focus that you should have on a regular basis. You should be looking at your wait statistics. Your wait statistics are a driving force on what's happening on your server, why things are running slow. It's not simply enough to know that things are running slow. You need to know why. You need to know where. You need to have some direction that lets you track what's going on with the slow parts of your system. And the primary mechanism that's going to let you know that is wait statistics. Now, you can monitor queries, certainly. Extended events, other methodologies, great way to look at it. Query store, obviously, looking at the DMVs. All these ways of looking at queries to see which queries are running slow, awesome. But queries, while they are the primary cause of most things running slow, queries by themselves are not a way to indicate, is there a problem with the system? What's going wrong with the system itself? And the main way you're going to be able to tell what's going on with the system itself is looking at the wait statistics. The wait statistics are going to tell you if you've got slow I/O, if you've got problems in the memory, if you've got problems with the CPU, if there's problems with something else, someplace else. The wait statistics are going to be your driving force behind that. Now, a lot of us already know this. A lot of us subscribe to Paul Randall's stuff and take a look at, he's got this beautiful, beautiful query, by the way. Go check it out on, querying sysdm OS wait stats. And that's a great way to get it done. But there are other methods. And the first of which that I would bring up immediately is sysdm DB wait stats, which is wait statistics for a database in Azure SQL database. That's a great way to take a look at wait statistics. But there's even more ways. For example, if you really want to capture wait statistics specific to a query, specific to a particular set of queries, the easiest way to get this done, and really, not joking, the easiest way to get this done is using extended events. You can take a look at a given query, identify it, capture the query metrics, and capture the wait statistics generated from that query through a series of events. Maybe we'll have to record a video on that at some point. Anyway, that works too. Now, execution plans. Well, there's no wait statistics in execution plans, right? I mean, that's just a horrible way to look at wait statistics. Oh, I forgot one. One more. Query store also now has, in the system tables that it also stores wait statistics for queries. So it's a great way to get in there and take a look at it. Now, all that done, there is a new way to look at wait statistics. And the new way to look at wait statistics is inside the execution plan. Now, a couple of things. You have to be running Azure SQL Database or SQL Server 2017. And you have to have Management Studio version 17.4. That's the new version of Management Studio. And with these two things stacked up, you can capture wait statistics on actual execution plans and see them inside the plan itself. It will store them as a part of the execution plan, and you can then use them in your query tuning and trying to figure out what's going on. You can take a look inside that execution plan itself and see the wait statistics. Further, inside the execution plan, you can see the runtime metrics also for the query that you're tuning and working on. And all this is stored with the actual execution plan when you capture that plan. It's not available in estimated plans. It's only available in actual, and it's all stored within the first operator, that select operator, basically the header information about the plan itself. All of it's stored right there. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to talk to you for a minute about execution plans. Thanks for listening. My name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software.